Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by stabilizing the watch and preventing new damage. Remove the strap if possible and place the case on a soft pad. Once done, mask the crystal, crown, and any open gaps with painter's tape so solvents won't enter the movement. Next, use a magnifier to identify paint edges and test one small spot with 90% isopropyl on a cotton swab. This tells you whether paint lifts cleanly without harming lacquer or plating. Now you tackle the main removal. Work in small sections so solvent doesn't spread under seals. First, dab 90% isopropyl on a cotton swab and let it sit for 10 to 20 seconds to soften the paint. Then gently roll the swab away. Do not rub aggressively. For stubborn flakes, coax them with a toothpick or a soft bristled brush at a low angle. This grants leverage without gouging. After each section, rinse with a fresh swab and dry immediately to prevent moisture ingress. Finish by inspecting the surface under magnification. If the finish is slightly hazy, polish very lightly with a microfiber and gentle circular motions. Never use abrasive paste on plated surfaces. Once clean, check gaskets and crowns. Make sure to reapply a thin layer of silicone grease where appropriate before closing the case to maintain water resistance. If paint refuses to come off or the plating is lifting, stop and seek a professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.